Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your AT&T account number and PIN to transfer out of AT&T and into another service. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is head into the Settings app on your iPhone or Android. We need to make sure your SIM card is unlocked to be able to do this. So to do that, we're going to tap on General and then tap on About. From here, all we're going to do is scroll down and you're looking for carrier lock. And in my case, it is SIM locked. If your iPhone or Android is SIM locked, you won't be able to port out or transfer that phone number to a different carrier, essentially why you would need the account number and port PIN. So if it is locked, all you need to do is go to your carrier, in my case, AT&T, and I can just type in AT&T unlock phone. And then just go through the process of unlocking that phone first. Now, after we've gotten that taken care of, we can find that account number and the PIN transfer code. So what we're going to do is just go to Google and we can type in AT&T PIN number or port out number. So keep in mind, when you're transferring that phone number from AT&T, it's called porting out of AT&T, and you'll port in to a different carrier. Let's say you're switching to US Mobile or T-Mobile or whatever. Now, on here it says, get a PIN to transfer your wireless. And there are a number of different ways that we can do this. One option is, if you scroll down, it says you can log into your account. Just go to your account profile, go to settings, transfer phone number, and request a new PIN. But there's some easier ways as well. You could download the My AT&T app. And from here, all you need to do is get to your settings and hit request a PIN number. But I find the easiest way is you can just call star port. So on your phone, all you need to do is open up the phone app and we will dial star PORT and hit call. Just like this, if I switch this to speakerphone.
Welcome to AT&T. You've reached the number transfer PIN request line.
Essentially what this does is it allows you to request the number transfer number or the port out number or the PIN number. All you're going to do is enter in your account number and a passcode that you have for your account, and then they will text you that code. Keep in mind though, after you've done that, you also need your account number to be able to do that. Again, you can either just log in and find your account number through your account profile, or you can go to the app. For instance, I could just go to the app library and go to my AT&T app here. And after I've opened up that app and gone through the process of logging in, you'll be able to see, I'll be able to hit sign in and I can sign into my account and get that account number. So just enter in the username and the password either on the website or the app. You'll be able to get that account number and that PIN, and then you'll provide that to the new carrier to be able to port in your phone number from AT&T to the new carrier. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.